Hello, welcome to Swipe. Today we will see how to do bulk stock in and bulk stock out in Swipe. To do that, head towards Inventory. Here you can see these products have zero quantity in stock. In order to stock in altogether in bulk, click on Bulk Items Stock In button. Here check the products that you want to bulk stock in and click on Next. Now add the quantity for each product that you have selected. Once done, click on Submit. You can see your stock is updated successfully. Now let's see how you can do bulk stock out. To do that, click on Bulk Item Stock Out button. Same way, check all the products that you want to do bulk stock out. After selecting, click on Next. Here, for example, we will stock out 10 quantity from each product that we have selected. Once done, click on Submit. You can see 10 quantities from each product that we selected for bulk stock out has been deducted successfully. That's how you can do bulk stock in and bulk stock out in Swipe. Thank you for staying with us. See you in the next video.